Enter a world of mystery and intrigue with HairLuminance. Let its hidden treasures guide you on a transformative journey towards hair growth and vitality like never before. Allow yourself to be captivated by the mysteries that lie within its pages and emerge with hair that defies expectations. With HairLuminance as your guide, your hair will become a symbol of resilience and beauty. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Trust in the process, and let your hair become a reflection of your inner beauty. Experience the transformation firsthand, and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair. With each revelation, feel yourself drawing closer to the hair of your dreams. And let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey. Embrace the power of your own potential and let your hair become a symbol of strength and resilience. Experience the transformation firsthand and let your hair become a testament to the magic within HairLuminance. Delve into its mysterious pages,